Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy method to view only your offline files on Dropbox, with the latest update in mind. If you often find yourself needing to access your important documents, photos, or videos without an internet connection, knowing how to filter and focus on just those offline files can save you tons of time. So let's get right into it. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Home tab at the bottom of your screen and tap it. This will bring you to a central hub where Dropbox shows you a snapshot of your recent activity, important folders, and more. Next, scroll down a bit until you reach the section labeled Offline. This area highlights the files you've chosen to make available offline, meaning they're already downloaded and ready to access without needing Wi-Fi or mobile data. You'll see a handful of these files right here, but sometimes you might have saved a lot and want to see the full list. Right beside the Offline section label, you'll notice a small link or button that says See All. Tap on this to expand your view, and voila, you'll now be looking at only the files you've made available offline. This filtered screen helps you stay organized and makes it much easier to find what you need, especially when you're somewhere with no internet connection. At this point, you can quickly browse through all your offline files, whether it's a crucial PDF for work, those photos from your last vacation, or any other files you've consciously downloaded for offline use. You can even manage these files from here, removing some from offline access if you want to free up space on your device. And that's it. With just a few taps, you're able to cut through the clutter and focus solely on the files that are ready to go, no internet needed. This simple step can really boost your productivity and make your Dropbox experience smoother, especially when you're on the move or in places with limited connectivity. Thanks for watching.